Alright, so PowerPoint 2010 has some enhanced picture effects or features that you can use. So let's go ahead and look at a new PowerPoint file. So we're in our demo and we have a picture right here, and the easiest way to get on this area is to double click on that and you'll come into the Format tab. And if you notice here, you've got some artistic effects and recoloring. So we'll just look at those briefly. So if you want to recolor an image, just click on that. You can see I can quickly recolor it. So that works really nice. And then if you want to apply artistic effects, you can do that. And one of the nice things, so for example, let's just look at a few of these here. One of the nice things about this is that it really eliminates needing to go outside of PowerPoint to do some basic image editing. So if you want to apply blur filters or whatever, then if you go to the artistic effects options, you can have more customization controls. So that's basically a quick overview of some of the new image effects features in PowerPoint, the color corrections and the artistic effects.